Hey there, Dotson guys here with MarineMax in Charleston. Today, I want to show you our first 28 Aviara Outboard that just arrived. So this is our first 28 we've seen. We love the color combo with the light gray and white accents with the white hardtop. We did the silver accents you'll see on the cleat and as well as windshield frame and quick disconnect fender pins. We've got the aft docking lights as well as the bow docking lights on this particular boat. Windlass, of course, in the front, and we've packaged this one with twin 250 Verados, and it does have the joystick with autopilot. She has underwater lights, trim tabs, and as well as the gray interior, which we'll show you in a second, so all the decking will complement all those gray accents. We'll take a moment and walk inside. All right, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, or the transom of the boat, we'll notice this large swim platform, as well as sun lounge. So we have a nice walkthrough across the back. Nice high backrest to sit here and cruise, but it does have a manual slide. This pivots and slides and extends, so we can take up some of that walkway, but get a little bit more of a lounging space if we want to truly lay out. We have a hardtop control because she has a power tower, meaning this hardtop is power actuated, and I can hold the button from back here or up at my helm. You'll see our tow point there on the hardtop, as well as courtesy accent lights. Right here in the walkthrough transom, you'll see we've got the aft shade mounts for this particular boat. Freshwater shower. We love the walk-through access on the Aviara with our fender storage, and we have a convenient little place for lines as well. Billet aluminum walk-through transom door, like we've seen from her bigger sisters. Nice little added security. Nice wide steps coming in, and there was as well as lit those steps. Storage underneath this little side seat, and as well as underneath the lounge seats here on the port side. Huge access. We've got the Cordova soft bag cooler, and as well as the bow filler there. We have a cockpit table, USB chargers throughout, battery charging system as well. You'll see this backrest here, so depending on how I want my lounge, right, from facing aft underneath this large hardtop, I can quickly take my little lever here, and I can make a forward-facing seat with flip bolster. So if I do want to ride a little taller, I can do so. Down below here, I have wireless charger, as well as cup holders for my companion. Moving back over here, we have our wet bar. So freshwater sink. Underneath the Corian countertop, we have a 12-volt refrigerator. Cup holders conveniently placed inside that Corian counter. And again, same thing here. I can pivot this, not necessarily as a flip seat, but if I want a shallower seat from when I am running. I have flip bolsters, so I can conveniently lean, stand, or be right behind that windshield. Tiltable helm with our Aviara steering wheel. We have auto Lenco trim tabs. Geez, mouthful. Digital throttle and shift for Mercury. And again, our joystick. We've got a 12-inch Simrad, as well as our digital switching screen. USBs, and again, wireless charging on that side. Convenient little glove box, as well as cool, chilled cup holders down there for the captain. Large vacuum flush head with sink and cabinetry down below. Ski locker in the floor. Transition again, walk-through door and flip window. We love how deep Aviara keeps their bows, so you feel very secure. I'm very comfortable. I'm 6 foot for reference. High backs, nice convenient grab bars. Convenient place for my drink, but as well as a nice little slot there for my cell phone if I do use my USB chargers, or just a nice place to put it. We have stereo remote as well as USBs on the port side and storage underneath the front. We have our windlass system, and again, we can control that from the helm. Nice large upgrade for such a large vessel. I hope you guys enjoyed our tour of our 28 Aviara. If you guys would like to schedule a sea trial, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Geist with MarineMax Charleston. Thanks for watching.